Hello spooky people, it is Lilith and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a plant magical day. Today I'll be sharing with you another Tamed Wild unboxing. I'm super excited to crack into this bad boy. It has just been sitting on my table and I've been waiting for a chance to film. So no more rambling, let's do the thing. Okay. Ooh. So the first thing is this super cute little sticker. I love that. That's like all of my favorite witchy colors. So up top we have some little info cards, which I feel like I don't want to look at up until we figure out what everything is. Ooh. So the first thing I see that's big is super exciting. It's a tarot book with this really cute illustration on the front of it. So it's basically a bunch of different spreads and information about it looks like it's it's the major and the minor arcana, which is really great. Usually tarot decks will give you like a little mini one just so you can read your deck and you know what everything is. But it'll be nice to have like a bigger, nicer one to kind of accompany any decks. I have a feeling though we're gonna get some cards right up front. Here is one. I think we've got a couple here, so let me see what my cards are. It's tied off with this cute little ribbon here. Alright, let's see what my cards are. I've got the High Priestess. I've got the Knight of Wands. And I've got I'm bad with numbers. This is the 13 of Cups. Yeah, I'm bad, not numbers. I'm bad at Roman numerals. So that is the 13 of Cups. Very cool. I like it. Hopefully find something fun to do with those. Ooh. Next I have this little box, and there's these super cute kind of, I guess like a label on it. It's just the same design as the little sticker we got. I'm gonna peel it back because I don't really want to rip this cute sticker. Ooh. Ooh, I think I know what this is! Oh, do I know what this is? This looks like just a pendulum. For a second I thought you could unscrew this and it was something else, but no. This is a very nice gold pendulum. Or gold colored probably. Very cool. It's got a nice hefty weight to it. It definitely feels substantial. I like it. Oof. So I'm just gonna pull this out just because it's staring right at me and I love it. I've got a big wand of selenite. Let me see if I can get its beauty on camera. Ooh, and my light is making this look gorgeous. I love selenite. I almost put on my my selenite necklace for this video. One of my favorite stones. So gorgeous, and I'm really happy to have a piece like this. I have those kind of like, what'd you say, like towers that are very easy to find, but I don't have like a wand of selenite yet. So very happy to add that to my collection. Next we have a sweet little baggie, so maybe some jewelry perhaps. Ooh, it's a little charm. Oh, that's cute. So it is let me see if I can get it with the glare. I might have to take it out. Yeah. Let me just take it out of this little baggie real quick. So what it is, I'll just tell you until I can get it out of here. It's a little tarot card pendant with, oh, come on now, finger. The Hermit on it. Oh, it doesn't want to focus. There we go. Now you can kind of see. But yeah, it's the Hermit, which I like this because I don't really have any gold jewelry. And when I do want gold jewelry, now I can have at least a little something to throw on. The next thing we have is our botanical tea, artisanal herbal tea. And I love the little package this comes in. It's very sweet. And this is the full moon tea. So it's black tea, orange peel, cinnamon chips, apple pieces, rose petals, natural fruit, and spice flavoring. So a nice spicy autumnal moment here. Very excited to try that one out. I think this is, yep, this is the last thing, and this seems to be the most substantial thing. I'm thinking this is some kind of altar cloth situation, or maybe something to do tarot on. Ooh, I like the fabric. Get this opened up and I can show y'all what we're working with here. Oh, that's so cool. So, you may already know, but what this is this is a pendulum chart. So, as opposed to maybe of just like sketching one out on a piece of paper, what you can do is hold your pendulum over this and it'll tell you the things you want. And it even has the, it has letters in this big circle as well as runes around the edges. So you could potentially get an even more, I guess, specific answer. And I like the fabric it's printed on. It's this kind of like soft, sort of suede fabric. Very nice. And even if, like, I'm not really using it for pendulum work at the time, I could still just use this to decorate because it looks really cool. So definitely a divination theme going on, which is very nice, very exciting. I'm about to buy a new deck, so I'm all here for that. What order do I read these in? So we have lots of little cards. This is explaining how pendulums work. And this is talking a little bit about Samhain, which this is, I know we're moving into November, but this is the Samhain box. And then this is our little card that tells us what we got this time. So this time around, we've got tarot cards. 3 tarot cards have been chosen for you. After I go through this, I think I'm gonna look in our little booklet and see what the significance of my tarot cards are. The full moon tea, the tarot booklet, the history of Samhain and Dumb Summer, or Dumb Supper. That's what this little card was. I got a selenite wand. Super hyped about that. I love selenite. A brass pendulum, so it's made out of brass. That's cool. And then an altar cloth and a tarot card amulet. So very cool. I feel like you wouldn't have to. The yes, no, hello, goodbye did make me think more of like it's going with the pendulum, but this could just make a very nice altar cloth, which I have a smaller altar. This would be a good size for mine. So this may be finding a home pretty soon here. Okay, now I'm gonna do my tarot reading. Like I said, I suck at Roman numerals. There is no 13 of cups. This is an 8 of cups. That's our final card. I'm gonna do them in order of how I pulled them, and they were all the same direction. I'm gonna read them as upright. So, the High Priestess shows up to remind you of your inner wisdom. At this time, it's safe to trust your intuition over logic. This divine feminine energy represents mystery and all that is hidden. It is directly linked to the subconscious mind and invites you to go within for the answers you seek. Developing a spiritual practice can serve you at this time. Definitely feeling very connected to that card. just been trying to follow my gut and I guess find a sense of balance lately. Haha, Libra, finding balance, who would have thought? Let's do the Knight of Wands. That was our next card. It says, this is a great time to go on an adventure or traveling. If you're thinking of starting a new project, approach it with excitement and enthusiasm. This card also indicates that sudden change is on the horizon. I'm feeling it. Maybe that's a little bit about our YouTube situation. I have some fun things coming for you guys soon. And I don't know. I feel like everything is all new things heading my way lately. So last is going to be the 8 of Cups, and let's see what that has to say. Out with the old and in with the new. This card points to transformation so you can live in alignment with a higher purpose. Up to this point, you may have been experimenting to gain understanding of what you truly want. However, this gets tiring and you are ready to have a spiritually fulfilling experience. Definitely. I can see the theme here. They're all more or less connected by change, and I'm feeling the change. So, very cool, very fun little mini reading there. Alrighty guys, that is going to do it for today. Thank you again for joining with me and sharing some magical surprises. If you haven't already and you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you subscribed and maybe check out some other ones. Right now I have one other of these Tamed Wild unboxings up. And if you like my style, you like the way I did my makeup or my fashion, I'm also on Instagram. It is dark_devotion. Same thing as here pretty much. And that is where I post my fashion, makeup, style, costuming shenanigans. Thank you again so much for joining me. I hope you have a magical rest of your day.